Well, hello. It feels weird to finally sit down and film again, let me tell you. Happy 2023, everyone. It is still 2022 as I'm filming this, in between Christmas and New Year's. I'm just relaxing, trying to get stuff done, and trying to plan for the new year, honestly. So, what's been happening in my life? I went to Colombia, which is where my family is from. I had the best time. I got sick. I got food poisoning, complete freak accident because I ate the exact same things as like my entire family and I was the only one. But I got really sick for like 2 weeks, over 2 weeks, until I got on antibiotics. So that was kind of rough, but still really good to see my family. It just feels like everything at the same time is like the best and the worst, if that makes any sense. So happy 2023. I'm ready to take it on and just kind of turn over a new leaf and get organized and prep for new things on the channel and get excited again about designing and art. And I want to create so much and I just have so much to offer. I know it's all in me. So I just wanted to make this little vlog of, planning the new year and also reflecting on what I've been doing and telling you guys. I miss you guys. I miss chatting with you. I feel like a lot of people haven't been commenting lately and I miss you guys. So leave a comment. Let's talk. I have some exciting things coming up. I have another exciting thing with Adobe coming up, and it's like a dream come true, really. Like at the same time, like I said, best and worst things. It's like I feel all this imposter syndrome. I feel like I could be like failing in my career one day, and then I'm also doing amazing things coming up and still doing things that are my dream job. And I'm like, okay, so how do I feel like this? So yeah, like I said, it's just a lot of emotions happening. A lot of things going wrong, but a lot of things going right, So if you're feeling that way, especially at like the end of a year, beginning of a new year, I'm right there with you, and let's talk about it in the comments. I'm like wanting to start therapy. I'm wanting to do so many different things. And I just kind of wanted to put that out there, like want to put things out there in general and just get more vulnerable on the channel and talk a little bit more about my life, I am loving Australia. I have had hard times here. Obviously, it's the first year I've been living here, but it's almost been an exact year now that I've been here, and that is wild to me. I had such a great Christmas. Like, it's great. I love the weather here. Like, I love my friends here that I've made, and I love being independent and doing it in a really great city that just feels great all year round. Yeah, I'm going to be doing an apartment tour. I'm also going to be doing a rebrand. I'm rebranding myself. I'm doing some photos soon. I'm finally like getting that organized. The holidays and the trip and everything at the same time just was a lot. So finally doing that in 2023 for a fresh new year. So I hope that finally caught you up to speed on what I've been up to, and let me know in the comments what you've been up to, what you've been working on. I kind of feel like a deadbeat designer sometimes, but I have, new projects and new excitement for the new year. So I'm ready to make videos and do fun things, and hopefully you guys will follow along. Really, I really miss you. So let me know what you've been up to, and let's chat a little bit more. Chat with me on my Instagram. I'm going to put up more stories with like Q&As and stuff. So let's talk on there too. And yeah, okay. Let's organize my year, shall we? Okay, yes, hi, hello. It's a different day. Okay, so my goals for 2023 are fairly simple. I have some career goals, some financial goals that I have yet to meet from last year. I want to hit 100,000 subscribers. I'm getting closer and closer by the day. It's the best. Love you guys. And I want to do just like more simple things too, like smaller goals that are really achievable for me, like doing one thing a week for myself, maybe something that scares me, something that gets me out of my shell and on my own. Things like listening to more music, things like starting therapy, like I said. I forgot to write that one down, but yeah, I just want to start some actionable steps to just achieving goals that help me feel better. I want to read more. There's lots of things I want to do.
So this is what the list is looking like right now. I'm really happy with this. I feel like it's very attainable for me and not so much like a lot of big picture stuff, and I'm excited. This is my reading list as well, what it's looking like so far. If you have any suggestions for me, please let me know. I want to read so many books and I just want to have a big list. So speaking of that, this is what I'm currently reading. When I went to the beach, I read Beach Read. I'm reading it still. Not sure if I'm loving it. Kind of disliking it at the moment, but we'll see how it goes. Let me know if you've read it. So yeah, I've just been enjoying my break.
I am currently attempting to make my January wallpapers for my Patreon. Please go join my Patreon. It's fun over there. We're going to be doing a lot more in 2023. Okay guys, so that was it for my little vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm ready for 2023 and I'm ready for new projects, new art, new design. I'm ready for it all. So I'll see you in the next one. Please give this a like if you liked it. And like I said, let me know in the comments what you think and yeah, what you're reading, all that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!